Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is Monday, the 23rd of March, 2026. I haven't updated since Friday, which was the 20th of March in the morning. So I'll just give an update what happened on Friday with regards to CFD and crypto, as well as Saturday and Sunday, of course, just restricted to crypto because CFD markets are closed on the weekend. We took a big hit, which is part of the plan because we do need to reload the grid, so to speak, um, before we can take profits on the way up. So for Oanda CFDs, we are down to $13,009, which with a leverage of 101%. So basically, our exposure is around $13,000 based on all the open trades that we have. For Binance Bitcoin, we're at 9859 with quite a still quite a low exposure rate at 38%. Total net asset value is 22,747 US dollars, which equates to a return or a negative return of 3.33%. And you can see that in the chart here. We take the stairs up and the elevator down, basically. But we will stick to the plan because this plan has worked very well for me over the years. So this is just part of the strategy where you need to take some drawdowns, and the most important thing is you manage your drawdowns properly so that you don't get wiped out on leverage. And then when the market turns up again, then you will take profits on the way up. So everything is still within the risk parameters that I've defined. We will stick the course to this, and obviously we will not increase our leverage excessively, especially for Oanda CFDs now, where we are at 101 percent exposure. So let's start first of all with Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, we had 2 buys and 0 take profits. So the buys were here, obviously, here, 70,100 and at 68,100. Now you may notice that my grid size now is $2,000 instead of $1,000, and this is just a risk management decision that I've made, because if Bitcoin does go down to 50,000, only then I want to be at 100% utilization or leverage. If I reach 100% right now, then that gives me no more ammunition to buy at the lower levels. So that was Bitcoin. Let's see what happens throughout the day. So you can see for the last 7 days or so, it's been down, 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 and we'll see what happens on the way up. So you can see my orders here. I set at 66 and then 64. So there is a little bit of method to my madness. I'm just uh, how you set your grid size and your grid amount is up to you. But it's just how you manage your overall risk in the worst case scenario. So that is very important thing to consider. Okay, for Oanda, woof, what a big hit, right? So let's start first of all with silver. Look at the 1 hour chart. So we last updated around this candle here. And since then we had, by my records, 4 buy orders and 2 take profits. So obviously the buy orders were hit at, it was hit at 71 and then 66. And then I believe there was one take profit hit at the 68 level, somewhere up here maybe. Yeah, somewhere up here. So the 66 was hit on this red candle. Let me just zoom in. The 66 buy order was hit on this red candle, and then the take profit was hit here at around the 68 level. So that was one buy and one take profit, and then it went down to here, and that was hit as well, and then it took profit here. So I've reset the rebuy order here. Yeah, so we had lots of buys, 4 buys and 2 take profits. Let me just see if that's true. Let's see the take profit. So there's one take profit here for 52.32, and then another take profit at here 47.14. I think those were the 2 take profits for silver. Yeah, and this was this was already covered in my last update. So yeah, that was silver, but it has taken a big hit, and we are down um, almost, well, more than $2,000 unrealized profit so far. So this looks scary, but yeah, we just have to stick to the plan. Yeah. For gold, we had one buy order that was hit at the 4,100 level. So we caught that spike, boom, right here, and then now it's at 4234. So we're slightly in profit for this, but we haven't taken profit yet. So it's this one here, 1317. So that is for gold. Eh? Okay, so let's see what's next. For China, we had one buy order hit at the 14.5, and there's went down even more. So yeah, we got our wish, because China we bought originally at 14.5, and then we took profit at uh at 15,000, and then now we are um yeah, we have gone down again to 14.5, and then we rebought, but it seems to be crashing quite a lot. So maybe I should set another buy order at, like, I don't know, 13,000 or something like that to catch the spike. So that was for um China. There was one buy, gold 2 buys, silver 4 buys, and no buys for copper. Let me see if I set anything here. Yeah, I did set something here at almost $5. Yeah, so um market is quite difficult, but overall we are down 3.33%. At the all-time high, we were up almost 6%. So from peak to trough, we are down, let's say, 9.3%. And this is still okay. It's not a catastrophic drawdown, considering that silver is now basically cut more than half. Then silver peaked at what, 120. So yeah, silver is down 50%. It's incredible. Silver is down 50%, but we are not down 50% in our net asset value, so that's great. Yeah, so we will continue to stick the course. Believe in the long-term prospects of gold and silver as hard money. Look at the gold chart here. Big hit since the high at 5,600. Now it's at 4,200. Yeah, and as well as Bitcoin. So a lot of it is turmoil in the Middle East and whatnot. So we will continue to monitor that and hope that things resolve, and liquidity always flows. Governments will always print money, so we stick to the hard assets. All right, I will update again tomorrow, and take care, guys, everyone. Bye bye.